Hello everyone, welcome to the ServiceNow Mastery series. Today we are going to see how we can customize our SLA. So in the previous video we have learned what is SLA, what is SLM, and we have also seen in the SLA definition in personal developer instance that what all the existing SLAs are there. Now today we will customize our own SLA, which is based on the impact, urgency, and the priority. So we already knew that the impact and urgency is totally like priority is totally based on impact and urgency, right? If we change the impact and urgency, then the priority get automatically changed. So now today I'm going to customize the impact and urgency also. Like I'll just create a one more impact and urgency choice, and according to it, the priority I will set it. So what I will do, you just come on the incident and don't worry, we will see all this how to customize the field in the incident table in problem management. We will all see these things in our upcoming videos, but as a creation of the another SLA only, I'm just showing you how to customize the SLA. So you don't worry about it. Please follow the steps which I am doing, and you can customize the SLA very easily. So what you can do is just click on the impact and right click on it, and all these fields access. So you just click on the configure choices. When I just click on configure choices, here is a list. Here is a slush bucket comes. So here it is written as P1 is high, P2 is low, medium. And then if you want to add the new item text or the numeric value, then you can add it. So I'll just add it 4. That is very, very critical. So I have added it as a very, very critical and the numerical value as 4, and then save it. Okay, so you have to, after entering that it's 4 very, very critical, and here it is a 4, you have to click on add, then you have to click on save. When you just click on save, so in the impact choices, you can also see 4 very, very critical. So if suppose there's a condition from customer in that P1 is a very much a high incident, that is very critical incident, but like as per the SLA customization, we are supposing it that above P1 also incident come. So that is like a very, very critical incident. P4 very, very critical. And in the urgency also, we just configure the urgency as well. The same as 4, very, very critical. And we will choose a numerical as 4, then click on add and save it. So it's only just for example. When we just save it, then in the urgency choices, all these 4 items can be visible as P1, P2, P3, and P4. One second, I'll just click on create new once again. And yeah, as you can see that the impact also is a P4 and the urgency also P4. So like the impact is also P4 and the urgency is also P4. But as you can see, if I just choose the impact and the urgency, the 4 very, very critical, but the priority doesn't get changed. Why? Because we have not customized the priority. So to customize the priority, because it depends on the impact and urgency, so we can't directly customize the priority from here, just like simply by clicking the right clicking and clicking on the configure choices. No, we can't do it in the simple manner. We have to go to data lookup. So what I'll explain you data lookup in the more detailed way in the next upcoming videos. But as of now, you'll just have to remember that for the priority to get automatically changed, so it depends on the impact and urgency and like the uh, priority settings is in the data lookup definitions table, right? So what I will do, I'll just go to the data lookup definitions and into that you can just see the table name is a priority lookup and it's a table name is DL underscore U underscore priority dot list. So you can easily also access that DL underscore U underscore priority dot list. You can also access from there. This is a priority lookup table appears. So it's taking little bit time. Yeah, now it's open. So as you can see, there is a order. So in which the next order will be like, of course, it will be 1,000, and the impact we can choose and the urgency. And on the impact and urgency basis, the priority will get automatically changed. So what I will do, I'll just click on new because for the very critical, I have to see, I'll choose the impact to very critical and the urgency is also very critical. And like for the priority, I'll just, what I will do, 1 minute. Okay, first I will also configure the priority, configure choices. I'll click on it on the priority. Okay, 1 minute. Let us go back to incident and add a choice into the priority. I'll just right click on it, configure choices. Yeah, I'll add as a 6, very critical. Okay, and add and save. So I came back to incident and on when I just choose the impact and urgency as a 4, but the priority doesn't get changed, right? I configure as a very critical and priority choices, but it doesn't get change. So for changing it, you have to go to again DL underscore U underscore priority priority dot list. When you just click on it, yeah, now you can able to add it a new priority data lookup. You'll just choose P4 as the impact and urgency, and in the priority, you'll just choose as a 6 very critical, and the order will be like next order that is 1,000 because till 900 from. So now you can just go to incident and click on create new. Now you can see 4 when I just choose the P4 and the urgency is 4. So then the priority automatically gets a change to 6, a very critical. This is the thing till now we have done of only just adding the new priority, right? Now we go to our real topic, that is customizing the new SLA.